Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, I will show you how to convert any image into a sketch of Leonardo da Vinci. Davincization of an image. So I have chosen the picture of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. He is referred as the ultimate Da Vinci Code of India because of his disappearance mystery and his uh, secret life revealed by so many uh, researchers. So how to start? Here the image is in the background and make sure the image resolution to be within 2000 to 3000. 2500 is good to go, and create a new layer, rename it to subject. This is important, very important, and go for pen tool. Now click on the surrounding image. It need not be very accurate, just outline. So once the outline is finished, also it could have been done in other methods, but I am okay with this. We're done. Select, make selection, and any color. Let us choose red. Ctrl D. Now this is the Davinci sketch files. If these files are not in Photoshop, then change it here in the properties and just double click. This is the main file. This is how you will download from internet. Then you can extract here. After extracting, you get these files. These are the paper textures. You will need it, so just double click it, all the things. That's it. And now come to window, actions, and simple. This is Davinci sketch. There are other action file. This is Davinci sketch file. Play it. It's all done. So the processing will depend on how fast your computer is. So this is how the image has come. We don't need these images. We'll check later. Here it is asking for a paper texture. Paper texture is here. Let us take this. Good to go. My goodness, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. So it's good to go. And I'll discard few elements, script elements. How many scripts we need? First I'll discard the geometric elements, we don't need them. Then the script elements, just I'll keep one script and I'll delete rest others. So this one and V. I do not want to keep anything other than the spec area. Good to go. It looks quite logical to keep. I over deleted, I believe. Yes. So this looks quite interesting, quite good, isn't it so? So this is the final sketch. So as simple as that. Keep a good resolution image with 2000 to 3000 pixels and run the action of Davinci sketch action file. This file was available at $20 in the internet, and I searched several areas, several websites, and I finally found it free of cost. So this is how it has come, and quite impressive. Doesn't look like a photo edit in no way. It's clearly a sketch. So quite impressive, and that is what I wanted to share with you. Well, how I upscaled this image, I will show in some another video, because the original image was this. This was the original image. So from this image, we have derived this image just by Photoshop and few third-party softwares. Quite interesting. And that's it. If you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.